Hey guys, what is up? I am just about to go football training, but before I go, there is a new DELE challenge that has just been released, and this is it. It is so difficult. So, I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's much harder than that one that we all know how to do now. So hopefully this video helps you learn how to do the new DELE challenge. Alright, so, first things first. You have to look at your hands and really figure out which finger goes where. It's not easy. I'm not going to lie, it is not easy. First of all, get your thumb and your wedding ring finger and put them together. Then get your pinky and your middle finger. So you make this shape, okay? Try and get it like that. And then your other finger is there just hovering because there's nowhere else to put it. It's a very awkward move, but yeah, there you go. It's very difficult to do. I'm going to go close up so you can see. So it's literally a crossover between two hoops to make the glasses kind of look. Now again, I don't even know what this means. Someone just asked me how to do it because I posted on Instagram at nfrancisco90. I posted a picture of me doing it and they want a video, so here you go. It's so weird. I don't even know why he comes up with these. So to go through it one more time, thumb, ring finger, circle. Pinky, middle finger, kind of backwards circle. And index finger hovering. There you go. Weird spider-shaped glasses. It's the stupidest thing I have ever seen in my life, but there you go. So guys, I hope that video was useful. I hope it taught you how to do the new challenge. There you go. And if it did help you, let me know in the comments, and hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.